Moving on, once your child is out of the infant car seat, they're going to go to a convertible car seat. In Illinois, the law states that once you are 1 year old and 20 pounds, you can go forward facing. However, there's a discrepancy between what Illinois law says and what has been studied to be safest for babies or toddlers. The American Academy of Pediatrics and the Department of Transportation have done numerous studies, and it shows that children are much safer to be rear-facing longer. The recommendation is now to keep rear-facing until they are 2 years old. The reason for that is the child's head in relationship to their body is much larger, and so if you were forward-facing, you're at much more risk for spinal cord injury, paralysis, or even severing of the cord itself, which could lead to death if they are forward-facing too soon. So keep your kid rear-facing as long as they can. And then once they are to the age, around 2, when they can go forward facing, you're going to use your same convertible car seat that you bought back when they outgrew their infant seat, and you're just going to turn it around. Again, you're going to look at the latch system of your car. You want to make sure that your latch system can accommodate the weight of your baby plus your car seat. Some of them only go up to about 60 pounds, which is not sufficient if you have a 30-pound baby and a 30-pound car seat, because these ones are pretty heavy. So you want to look at that in addition to how your car seat fits within the latch system itself. If you're unable to use the latch system, your car doesn't have one, you can use the seat belt, but again, you want the car seat to be very snug within the car itself without much wiggle room. When putting your child in, you want to be careful that you don't bonk their head. We've done that a few times. And then position him in the same way as we did the infant. You want to make sure that the straps of the chest are across the breastbone itself. Let's fix your collar there, buddy. The convertible car seat is going to have the position of the strap above the shoulder to come down. That is safer that way. Strap him in, 5-point harness again, and then you want to position this so it's up against that breastbone, and then get it nice and tight for it so there's not much wiggle room again. After your child has outgrown the convertible car seat, they can go to a booster seat. By law, the child needs to be 4 years old, 40 pounds, 40 inches in order to leave the convertible car seat and move on to the booster. That being said, the 5-point harness, that is the regular car seat that we just demonstrated, is going to be safer for your child for as long as possible. So if your car seat accommodates up to 60, 65 pounds, keep in there longer, because once you move to this kind of a car seat, it's just one strap across and one across the belt. So, oftentimes these will come with a back to it. This one used to, but it's a little bit older now. They will range from approximately 40 pounds upwards to 100-pound limit for the booster seats. When placing it into your car, you're again this isn't strapped in, you're gonna use the seat belt with the child in it already. The back of it has a positioning straps or positioning bar, so that way the strap can be positioned most accurately. You want the strap to come across the clavicle of the child and then strapped into the belt and snug again. Not underneath the armpit. That is not appropriate. That's not safe. Once they are old enough where they don't need that positioning of the back part of the car seat, then you can take that off and just have the base in there. Again, keeping them so the strap of the seatbelt is accurately placed. In Illinois, the rule for booster seats is up to 8 years or up at 8 years old. They can go off of it. That being said, also, is that if your kid is short, they're not going to fit properly in the seatbelt without a booster. So you need to look at your car model and make where the seatbelt positions against your child to make sure that they are as safe as can be. So finally, when can your kid go shotgun with you? Not till they're at least 12 years old is my recommendation. The airbag in the front seat is dangerous for children until they are adult size, basically. You want them to be probably 110 to 120 pounds, hopefully, before they're riding in the front seat of the car. Even if your kid is that weight at a younger age, it's still safer to keep them in the back seat of the car. If there should be an accident, just much safer positioning.